Gotta say, the Remark Elite-Spec Catback exhaust has a very refined exhaust tone to it. It's louder, but not obnoxious. It's not raspy. It doesn't sound like a tin can. It's a very respectable but aggressive tone to it that you would expect from a sports car. And the exhaust quality itself is spectacular. It's hand welded, the welds are perfection. 2.5-inch piping, 3.5-inch tips with their exhaust covers in either a polished stainless steel or the burnt stainless steel that we have installed on this car. Personally, I didn't think I'd be a fan of the exhaust tip covers at first, but after seeing them in person, they do add a different dynamic to the exhaust that you don't normally see and gives it kind of a premium look. Now, this does have a bit of drone to it at highway speeds. Nothing terrible, but it is something to note. You do still get some pops on downshifts, but nothing as frequent as some of the other exhausts that we've tested. So if you aren't into the loud pops and cracks on all the downshifts when you're just driving throughout the city, this may be a great option for you. Honestly, I really do enjoy the tone of this exhaust, and I'm thinking about keeping this one on the car. I haven't decided yet, but we'll see. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, the link is down in the description. Let me know what you guys think and what other exhaust you'd like to hear. Leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I'll give you a quick pull. It really does sound good.